Views. Views is very important chapter and very simple chapter also. Very important chapter and very simple chapter. Let us go and try to understand it. I am going for your classroom notes. OBIEE 11G main copy, and the page number is hands-on for building views. So a view is nothing but what, sir? It is a template. Like in our MS Excel, if you want to create one pie chart also you want to develop means it is very difficult. Yes or no, sir? Already they given the template. That is the reason we are able to use that one. Okay, like that. Here also so many views are available. Without our knowledge, already we started working with the views. One view is called as title. Second view is called as table. One view is called as title. Second view is called as table. Next, view is useful to present data as per business requirement. That means suppose your customer came and asked you, sir, I want to see the data in the format of pie chart. Then are going to provide the pie chart. If customer came and asked you in the format of table, I want to see. Then are going to provide table. If customer asks you in the format of pivot table, then are going to provide pivot table. So that is what the meaning of as per the requirement we are going to organize the data. Title and table are called as by default views. Title and table are called as by default views. What is the meaning of that one? To understand the meaning, let me go for our reporting and enrollment analytics. Still my server is starting itself. In 7 to 8 batch, I don't want the servers, right? I didn't start it at the moment. Just now I started. Now I am going for new analysis, supplier sales representative. Then I am going for here. One column is called as, let us say, year column. Second column called as, let us say, region column. Third column called as, let us say, dollars column. Now I am clicking on the results. You are noticing or not, this is called as what, sir? Title. This is called as what, sir? Table. Title is a one view actually. Table is a one view. That is the reason these two things by default is coming, right? Whenever you are developing one report, with the development of your report, we are getting these two things. That is the reason title and table are called as by default views. Title and table are called as by default views. So the same point I written here, title and table are called as by default views. And views will be integrated in one area that is called as what, sir? Compound layout. If you see here, this name is called as what, sir? Compound layout. Under this compound layout only, we have title as well as table. Down the line, if you go and if you create one more thing, let us say new view, I am going for one more thing that is called as a graph. In the graph, let us say I am going for bar. In the bar, let us say vertical I am taking, sorry. Vertical I am taking. Then I got here one chart also, here I got it, right? If you go for, still is populating it. This is called as what, sir? One chart. Now tell me, under this compound layout, how many things are available, sir? Title, table, graph. So compound layout is a one integration location of your views. Compound layout is a one integration location of your views. That is the reason I given here this point. Views will be integrated in compound layout. Views will be integrated in compound layout. Next one is, we have 17 types of views. Those are whatever we are seeing. If we go for the new, we are seeing one big list we are seeing, right? These all things is nothing but 17 views are available. Out of those, I given your names also. First one is title, second is table, pivot table, graph, gauge, funnel, map, filters. These all things are available. Here map opposite I given one thing, that is what, sir? New in OBIEE 11G. New in OBIEE 11G. And here selection step opposite I given new in 11.1.1.6 version. That means in the 11G, 11.1.1.3, 11.1.1.5, you don't have the selection steps views. It came from 0.5 to 0.6 is a new view. Now, column selector, these all things are available even in 10G. Same thing are available in 11G also. Now, learning of views are nothing but learning one by one view. These all things are. Learning of views are nothing but learning one by one view. These all things. Shall we go and try to understand it? Yes. As part of that one, first we'll try to understand. First is what, sir? Title. First is what, sir? Title. As of now, you understand, a view is nothing but a template. Yes or no, sir? A view is nothing but a template. These views are useful to organize our data as per the business requirement. We have two views by default. One is called as title, second is called as table. Views are integrated in one location, that is called as compound layout. We have 17 types of views. This is what they listed. Now those all things one by one we are going to understand. First one is called as title. What is the advantage of this title? We need to understand. Okay. Title is useful to display name of the report. Next what, sir? Logo of the report and run date and time of the report. Run date and time of the report. Run date and time of the report. What is the meaning of that one? Let us say if I am going for year, then I have here title. This is what the first part is called as title. You can see this one. If I want, wherever I can drag and drop also. This title is some kind of one part. This title contains 3 buttons. Not only title, any view contains what, sir? 3 buttons. If you see here, first button, that is called as formatting. If you want to put some kind of formatting, some borders or something you want to put, you can put it. Let us say border color is red color, and I want borders for all the sides. I want borders. Okay. Then click on OK. Then you're able to see what, sir? Border you are seeing or not? Yes. So this is what the formatting purpose only, it is useful, nothing much. This is everyone knows. What is that, sir? If you want to delete this one, you can delete it. If you delete this one, what happens, sir? Now it is deleted from the compound layout or it is deleted from the report? It is deleted from the compound layout or it is deleted from the report? It is deleted only from the compound layout, sir, not from the report. If you go and see here, I have here views available. That is what, sir? Title is still available. Down the line, if you want to use this title, means you can drag and drop here again. Again it is came here. Yes or no, sir? So what I would like to say is, it only deleted from the compound layout, not from the report. Not from the report. Suppose you developed excellent view one thing, thereafter you deleted that one from the compound, delete that one. That will be deleted only from compound layout. That is deleted only from compound layout, that will be available in the report. And one more point is, whatever views available in the compound layout, whatever views available under compound layout, those only visible to the end user. Those only visible to the end user. Am I clear, sir? Right. Now, let us go for our main agenda of learning is edit. That is what the main agenda of learning is. In each and every view, these 2 buttons are common. Middle button is the one which we need to focus more. Edit view is the more we need to focus it. Let us go for the edit view here. Click on the edit view. Whenever you click on the edit view, it is asking you to put one name, title of the report, and here we have the display saved name. Here, what is the meaning of display saved name, sir? Let us say as of now, I am clicking on done. I am trying to save this one. If I click on the save report, I am saving it to B173 with the name of your batch number, that is B177. Sorry, B176. I am clicking on OK. This is B176 I created, right? This is the name which is going to store in our hard disk. Yes or no, sir? This is a hard disk name. It is a hard disk, your report object name. And if you go for title, and I am going for edit, here I am giving some name. Let us say my first report. Then click on done. Then automatically we are seeing what, sir? My first report we are seeing. Next what, sir? B176 also we are seeing. This B176 is hard disk. In hard disk, how you stored it? In hard disk you stored as with the name of what, sir? B176. So if I want to remove that one, I can go ahead and I can remove by taking help of what, sir? Disable this one. Click on done. Automatically what happens, sir? Only title is appearing. So saved name is different. Title is different, sir. Saved name is different and title is different. If there is no title and you enable display saved name, then the saved name will be acting as what, sir? Title. Then saved name will be acting as what, sir? Title. That's what you need to understand. Now, second point is we need to understand what is a logo. Each and every report will have some certain logo, sir. Yes or no? Each and every report will have certain logo. Okay, how to provide that logo? We need to understand. Let us say you are developing a report for the ICICI Bank. Then ICICI Bank will have that logo or not, sir? Or you are developing a report for the Pfizer, or Amgen, or Abbott, or Walmart. Each and every company will have its own logos. How to keep that logo? How to keep that logo? That is very simple job, sir. Here I want to keep the logo means I need to follow here one rule. That rule is called as what, sir? Fmap. The syntax is Fmap. So what is the syntax of Fmap? We need to understand very carefully. Before that one, image's location. Image I need to call means that should be stored in the server location. That should be stored in the server location. Where is that location? I need to understand. That location is very simple, sir. My computer. Then go for your C drive. Then go for, here I have one option that is called as BA11G. Then I have one option that is called as Oracle BA1. Then I have here BA Foundation. Then Web App Res S_BLAPP. Then I have here one thing that is called as images folder. This is where the location available. So if you want to call the image means first we need to collect ICICI Bank logo you want to put. First we need to take that logo and we need to paste that logo into this location. Once you paste it into this location, suppose I want to show this image, sir. This image I am taking as it is, Control C, image name I am taking. What is the syntax is, I need to go to the front end. I need to write here Fmap : which folder is available, sir? Images folder. Then slash and name of the image. Click on done. Then automatically we are able to see what's the image. Okay, and while you are creating this syntax is very important, sir. Let me show you once again the syntax. Fmap, next what, sir? : images. In place of here /, simply written this kind of backward slash. Click on done. It is not going to work here. So even it is a very case sensitive, sir. I mean to say, don't write any backward slash spelling mistake also. If you written like that, it is not going to work anymore. It is not going to work anymore. Click on done. Now we are able to see the logo. Okay, what I mean to tell is, syntax for logo is Fmap : images / the name of the image we need to provide here. Next is where Fmap is equal to what, sir? BA11.6, Oracle BA1, BA Foundation, Web App Res S_BLAPP. Next, images. You need to remember this one. Next, we must copy image of client in below location. This is what the location we need to copy it. You got my point, sir? So these are the steps what we need to follow to provide the logo. In the title, the main part is creating the logo only, sir. In the title, main part is what, sir? Creating the logo only. So in the creating logo, I can say 2 steps are available. Step 1 is we need to get the good picture from the client and we need to paste into the images folder. Second step is we need to remember the Fmap syntax. Not only in this location, sir. Down the line, wherever you want to call the image, we need to take help of what, sir? Fmap syntax only. We need to take help of what, sir? Fmap syntax only. Am I clear? Right. Okay. Next is I given third point also, that is called as, it is going to display run date and time of report. What is the meaning? Let us say I have here in the title itself, I have one option that is called as subtitles, you know already. Yes or no, sir? If you want to keep some subtitle, yes, you can go ahead and you can keep the subtitle. Start time. When you ran this report, you want to understand, you can go for what, sir? Display date and time. If I select that one, click on done, automatically you are going to get a date and time. And subtitle, whatever I given, that is coming as what, sir? Some subheading. Okay, these are the options whatever available in the title. We can provide one name for our report. We can provide a logo for our report, subtitle for our report. Next, display time. Next one is help URL is available. Help URL also, let us say we have one website is available. In the website, one web page is going to talk about all our business rules. Tax is equal to salary into 0.1, some business rule is available. The business rules you want to show means that URL you can call directly here. But normally no one is using that help URL, okay, but still there is available. Okay. So these all points we understand as part of title. Second is what, sir? Table. Second is table. So what is table is, already people are aware of it, table is nothing but this is whatever table. So in this table, I can show data in 2-dimensional wise. I mean to say, this is row, yes or no, sir? This is column. Row is 1 dimension, column is another dimension. So it is called as 2D format. It is called as what, sir? Two-dimensional format. I can show the data. Table is useful to project data in 2D format, that is rows by columns. Next, in OBIEE 11G, table prompts, sections and excluded are newly introduced. What is the meaning? If I go and edit this one, then you are able to see here some options. Those are called as table, prompts, sections. Then here I have one thing that is called as excluded. These three things, excluded, sections, table prompts, these three options are not available in 10G. These three options were not available in 10G. These three things came newly in 11G, sir. That is the reason newly introduced we are saying. What is the advantage of each and everything you need to understand? Let us say in the table prompts I am dragging and dropping here, sir. I dragged and dropped a column here into the table prompts. If you click on done, then our report look and feel will be changing. Yes or no, sir? And in the here, if I want to select, see some kind of problems are there. Okay, here I am trying to click on drop down, but this drop down is not appearing, right? Okay, this is the problem of this browser, sir. The solution is what we'll do? We'll take one more browser. Okay, I am taking Internet Explorer. Let us go for here, region, dollars, click on results, then we got results, then go for edit, then year column whatever available, that one you want to drag and drop, that year column whatever available that you want to drag and drop into table prompts, then click on done. Then once you drag it and drop, if you want here you can select what's a 1999. Previously this is what I am trying to do. I am clicking on this drop down, which is not appearing in the browser. There is a browser problem. Now I am going for the 1999. Then automatically these values are changing or not, sir? Here see here 0.24 is available. Let us see if I select a 1998, this is going to change. Changing or not? So this is what called as table level prompts. Table level prompts. Okay, I hope already you learned the prompts, right? You learned? Yeah, you learned already prompts. The prompts is what's the total entirely report level. Entirely report level. This is what's a table level prompts. Table level prompts. If you want to create a prompt on the table level, this is how you can create it. On multiple columns also you can create, sir. I mean to say click on edit. Click on edit. If you want to incorporate one more column also here, yes, I can go ahead and I can incorporate. If I incorporate like that, what is happening, sir? Here, two prompts came, table and region. Table and region. In the table, whatever I want, I can select here. Region, whatever I want, I can select it. Am I clear? So multiple things you can do it. As of now, I am going for the only one thing. We understand that one. Let us go for next one. What is the meaning of sections here? To understand sections, I am dragging and dropping here onto the sections. Once you drag and drop that one, click on done. Then we are able to see here how many tables we are seeing here, sir. Two tables we are seeing. One is corresponding to 1998. Second is corresponding to what, sir? 1999. So we can divide your data into different tables based on the different values available in the year column. Suppose in the year column I have three values, means three separate tables will be coming into the picture. I can say three separate sections, I can say. Three separate sections, I can say. Now, once we got this one, that is clear. Once we got this one, that is clear. Let us move on to the next one. Next one that is called as, what's that? Click on edit. Excluded part you need to understand. If let's say here I am dragging and dropping into the excluded. Then click on done. Then you're able to see only reason and dollars. What happened to here, sir? Here will not be appeared in the display. Now tell me, is it in the query it is available or in the query also it is removed? In the query it is available but is removed only from where, sir? Table. Okay. In which scenarios will go for that is, let us say I want to develop in one report, two views I want to develop. One is table view, one is what's a chart view, let us say. In the chart view I want here, but I don't want in the table. You got my point, right? Let us say I want to go for below this one chart view I want, click on new, click on graph, click on bar, click on vertical. In the vertical bar, here what I am using, sir, here I am using or not? I want to use here in the chart, but I don't want to use in the table. At that moment I can go and I can exclude from that view. It is available in the query. It is available in the query, but not available only what, sir? In the view it is not available. In the view it is not available. Am I clear? Right. Okay, that point is clear. Let us move on to the next one. Next one. To go for next one, click on edit. I am trying to drag and drop whatever here excluded is available. Sorry, sections available. I dragged and dropped here. Then click on done. Right. Here reason DARS is available. Now also I would like to take one more column, sir, from here. Let us say here, and product type also I am taking here. Let us say item type I am taking. Then I got here 4 columns I got. One is year, region, next, item type, dollars, 4 columns I got here. I am happy. Now what is my problem is, by default how many records we are seeing here? By default how many records we are seeing, sir? 25. In interview they asked me one question. First question is, how many records you will see by default in the table view? How many things, sir? 25. Can you change the number of records per page into 10? That means per page I want to change to, sir, 10 records I want to change it. How to change it? Where to change it? So wherever any property you want to change means the guard is what, sir? This is the edit view is the guard. Click on that one. We need to spend some time and we need to search for the option where it is available. That's it. So I clicked on the edit view. Then slowly it is opening. Then if you go for here, one option is available that is called as what, sir? Table view properties. Down the line, if I am going for the chart means chart view properties will be there. Pivot table means pivot table properties will be there. So always you need to go for that view properties. I am clicking on the properties. Guess it now which option is going to help you out. Rows per page. So here I have the rows per page. Suppose if I given rows per page equal to 10. Click on OK. Then click on done. Then automatically rows per page we are seeing as first 10 records. If I want to see the next 10 records, click on this one. Then I am seeing from 11 to 20. If you want to see whole records, all records, what's that? 500 rows per page is the maximum. This is also one more question. What is the one more question, sir? Maximum how many records you can display in one page? How many things, sir? 500 records. 500 records is the max records what you can display. More than that, can you display? Yes, sir. That is what the by default is given. By default 500 rows is a display given. More than that, can you display it? Answer is no. Okay, one page, what, sir? Only 500 records you can display. If you have 1000 records are available, then we need to go for what, sir? Next page. If more than that you displayed also, that is not good actually. 122 records available itself, I need to scroll down. Whenever I am scrolling down, I am missing here what, sir? Titles I am missing. After I miss the titles, I don't know. This column is product type column or this column is region. Which column? I don't know, right? Let us say 100 columns are available. This column is corresponding to what is the title. I don't know. You got my point, sir? Right. Yeah, there is no option to freeze. In Excel sheet we have the freeze option, but here I don't have that one. Okay, next one. If people got the clarity on what is the table prompts, what is the sections, what is the excluded, and how to control the number of rows per page. Now we have one option that is called as alternate row coloring. Alternate row coloring. I mean to say, go for item type. I am deleting this one. As of now, I don't want. Click on results. If I go for alternate rows, I want to give some color. Click on what, sir? Edit view. Whenever you click on the edit view, then I have here table view properties. Table view properties. Then in the table view properties, we can see one option that is called as enable alternate row green bar styling. Click on OK. Then automatically we can see here what, sir? Automatically green bar styling. This is the one green, this is the one green, this is the one alternate row. It's coming or not, sir? It's coming. So this is more readability purpose. This is what, sir? More readability purpose. End user can understand data very clearly. Am I clear? Right. So this is what the alternate bar. These are the points whatever I am trying to explain in the table. Yeah. You can export result to Excel sheet. Click on here, export this analysis, then go for what, sir? Excel or PDF or PowerPoint or web archive or data, whatever format you want to go, you can go it. Okay. Now if I want Excel means you can go for the Excel. Any pop-ups are there, pop-ups are going to stop it. There is no pop-up, we are going to open one Excel sheet. Click on open. So this is what the Excel sheet, whatever we got it. What's that? Oh, colors we are losing, you are saying, right? Okay. Colors also should export. Go to the criteria. Okay, here let us go for column properties. I am thinking like the colors are because of this repeat option is not available. Excel is not supporting these all things. That's what I am thinking. Let us see in that way. Now it is came in this format, right? Go for results, Excel. Still not came. So colors, this color is not available in Excel or what?
Maybe we need to save it first.
Saving is not required. So this color is coming. That particular color, whatever I given green border is not coming. Maybe it is not supported with Excel some reason. Okay, colors also ideally it should come. But green bar alone why it is not came means I need to see Excel color codings whatever available. That may not be supporting this green bar. Okay, right. So yeah, what I would like to say is the first point is table is useful to project data in 2D format. In OBIEE 11G, table prompts, sections and exclude are newly introduced. We understood. Can create subtotals, grand totals. This is not covered, right? Subtotals and grand totals. What is the meaning of that one? Subtotals and grand totals. Let us go for your report, whatever available. Then I want to create your edit. Then I want to go for table view properties. I don't want any colors and all here. I am reverting whatever changes I did. I am reverting. Click on OK. Okay. Now I want to give you subtotals and grand totals. To provide your subtotals, 1998 corresponding whatever value is available that is called as subtotal, right? For better look and feel, also I want to do one more thing. Go to the criteria. And go for go for year column properties. Previously I given suppress option, right? Suppress I want to enable, I don't want to. Go for repeat, click on results. Click on results. Then I want now subtotal means more clarity is available. These three things sum up is nothing but subtotal of 1998 year. Yes or no, sir? So 1998 subtotal is nothing but these three values sum. If I want grand total means what, sir? 6 values sum. Like that, how to showcase. Click on this edit. Click on this edit. Then you'll get one window. In that window we have some sigma symbols. That sigma symbols help you need to take. I have here year after we have one sigma. If you click on the sigma, year level totals we are going to get. Year level totals are nothing but subtotals are not, sir. If I click on this one, then it is asking after. Click on the after. Automatically we'll be able to see 1998 what is the totals, right, sir? And if you want grand total, then go for year column level. Here you need to click and we need to go for after. Then automatically we are able to see entire column what is the grand total. So that's how we can create the subtotals and grand totals at whatever level you want. You can create that one. At whatever level you want, you can create that one. Okay, for better look and feel purpose, whenever you are going for the subtotals, don't allow it to repeat it, sir. Don't allow it to repeat it. Try to suppress it. Try to suppress it. Am I clear, sir? That is the best look and feel purpose only. Now, let us go for the back. We understand subtotals, grand totals, alternate row colors, and the maximum number of rows per page. Everything we understand. Yeah. Correct, correct. Yes, correct. Many numeric columns are available. All numeric columns are going to come by default. I mean to say, click on done. Let us say I am going for unit order. Unit shipped also available. Those things also by default the subtotals are going to come in the picture. Okay, if I take, if you want to restrict to only subtotal for one column, that is, I don't think so it is possible. If I go for edit, understand your question, you are saying as only dollars column you want subtotals, you don't want unit order. But that like that is not looking good, right? Report also. Think about business perspective. Not only as a technical guy, in which scenario customer may be expecting that kind of report. That's correct, but I don't think so. It is not possible. First of all, here it is not possible. First of all, here, and also I don't think any business will be expecting that fashion. Business prospect, if you think, business user want, if you want to see the total means, you will see total for all the measures. If you don't want means, you don't want for everything. But you cannot say, I want for this, I don't want for this, like that you will not give the kind of requirement. Sorry? No. Anyway, it is not possible, sir. Anyway, it is not possible. If you want subtotal means for all columns. If you don't want subtotal means for all columns you need to remove. Partial columns you cannot do it. Partial columns you cannot do it. Okay, that is clear. Now, next one is called as what, sir? Pivot table. Next one is called as pivot table. So what is this pivot table? Very, very important one, sir. Pivot table is provides the ability to rotate rows, columns, and section headings to obtain different prospects of the same data. Different prospects of the same data. One moment, sir. Hi, Akiran. Akiran. Okay. అర్ణ నేను అని అంటుంది మరి అమ్మాయి మొన్న వచ్చి నేను చెప్పాలంట ఫస్ట్ ఆమెకి ఎలా చెప్పాలను తర్వాత ఆమె చెప్పిద్దంట మేనేజర్ ముందు సార్ నువ్వే చెప్పిన తర్వాతకి ఒకవేళ ఆమె కంట్రోల్ అయితే నేను వెళ్తాను డైరెక్ట్గా లేకపోతే ఇంకా ఆమె వెళ్తుంది ఆమె ఏమంటుంది నేను ఇంటరాక్ట్ అనేది తెలియాలి మీరే ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు అన్నట్టు మాట్లాడింది మొన్న సరే నాకేం తెలియదమ్మా పోయి అని అడుక్కో అని చెప్పాను సర్లే నువ్వు అడుగుచ్చాక డిసైడ్ చేద్దాంలే. ఓకే ఓకే. పర్లేదు నేను చెప్తాను, నేను చూసుకుంటానులే, నేను చూసుకుంటాను పర్లేదు. ఓకే బాయ్. ఫ్రైడే సెషన్కి వచ్చింది, ఆ సెషన్ నేనే తీసుకున్నాను. తీసుకుంటే మనం ఇక్కడ నేమ్ ఏదో పెరుగుతుంది, బాగా పెరుగుతుంది మొత్తం డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లెవెల్ అని చెప్పేసి ఏమనుకుంటుందో ఏమో తెలియదు. దానికి కూడా మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పాలంటే నేను చెప్పాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆమెకి ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలో, ఆ తర్వాత దీన్ని తీసుకుపోయి కాపీ కూడా అక్కడ చెప్పిద్దంట. అది ప్రాసెస్. సరే సరే మాట్లాడదాం అక్కడ వచ్చాక. ఓకే బాయ్. సరే సరే ఓకే బాయ్ అన్న. రైట్, now let us move on to the pivot table. So if you go for the pivot table, I would like to take some columns, some new set of columns I want to take. Click on analysis, supplier sales representative, click on OK. Then go for year column, then go for month code column, then go for region column, then go for district column, then go for item type column, then go for dollars column. These are some columns I taken. Now if I click on results, as usual you will get the table, right? Table view, you got it. Table view, you got it. This is what the table view. I'm trying to delete this table. I don't want table at this point of time. I want what, sir? Go for the new, then want pivot table. I am clicking on the pivot table. So the pivot table, if you click again edit, then the pivot table is going to give you on flexibility. That flexibility is rows, columns and measures flexibility are going to get, sir. I would like to show you that one. It is opening. Yeah, it is open. Then I am going here and I am seeing. Then rows are available in this side. Next what, sir? Columns are available here. Measures are available. This kind of look and feel was not available in the table, right? This is only extra functionality. Apart from this one, nothing is available. This one in our normal MS Excel, MS Word, we used to call as one name cross tab. We used to call as what, sir? CROSSTAB, cross tab one functionality is available. So pivot table is nothing but cross tab functionality, sir. Pivot table is nothing but cross tab functionality. For better visibility purpose, let me organize in the fashion. Let us say region I want to move into, not region. Let us go for year. Year I want to move into. Year also I don't want. Which one I want to do? Region I want to move into. Region I want to move into table prompts. Let me do that. Next, I want to go for sections. The sections I want to go for districts. Then I want to go for item type whatever available onto columns. Item type I want to go for columns. Month code whatever available, I want to move on to the excluded part. Month code whatever available. Oh, these all things also came here. Okay, no issues. We'll drag and drop month code into the excluded. It's a matter of dragging and dropping only, sir. Sometimes this drag and drop will not work properly. So slowly you need to do that one. Okay, I dragged it like this. So what I did is section in the table prompts I dragged what's a region. In the sections I dragged districts. In the rows I kept here year. In the columns I kept here item type. In the measures I kept here dollars, and exclude I kept here month code. Click on done. If you click on done, then you're able to see Then you are able to see. Then you are able to see region. Region is what, sir? Prompt it is coming. Then we take in district as what, sir? Gulf, Lower Midwest, Texas, and unit mesh. These all things are coming, right? Okay. Anyhow, we got here. Year is on the rows. This is what, sir? On the columns. These are the columns we got it. Yes or no, sir? Now, suppose I want dollars is totally repeating here, right? Dollars is coming. If I want to keep this top names in the bottom names in the top, I want to revert it. How I can revert it, sir? How I can do that revert? Go for the edit. Go for the edit. Then once you clicked on the edit, then your item type is available. Item type you need to drag and drop under measure labels. Slowly drag and drop it. Now, if you go and see your look and feel of your reports, here itself you can observe that one. Here itself you can observe what happens. Dollars is came here below that one. Backing these all things are came. This is how to create the pivot table. This is how to create the pivot table. Now, in the pivot table, we have one option that is called as duplicate layer option. What is that option? Duplicate layer option. So, what is the meaning of duplicate layer? What is the meaning of duplicate layer? Suppose I have here dollars column is available, right? Beside that one, I want one column. That column is called as percentage of the sales. Percentage of the sales. I mean to say, here in 1998 year on the backing, I got this much of revenue. Yes or no, sir? And if I want the percentage terminology, 4% or 5%, whatever percentage is available, that percentage I want beside of this one. How to create that one? That can be achieved by taking help of duplicate layer option. Duplicate layer option. Let us go for the dollars column. Then I have here one option that is called as what, sir? Duplicate layer. Immediately one more dollars column is created for you. Okay, one more dollars column is created for you. You can observe here, if you scroll like this, then we got what, sir, here? One more dollars column. This one I want to change as what, sir? Change as what, sir? Percentage. For that I am clicking on the second dollars and I am trying to rename also. Go for the format headings. Then this one I want to rename as percentage sales at dollars, whatever it is. Then I am trying to click on OK. Percentage sales. Then I am going for edit. Then go for here one option that is called as show data as and percentage of columns or rows you want to go, sir. How to calculate the percentage of that one? That product sales in that year by total sales in that year, right? Total sales in that year. Total sales means what, sir? Entire row I need to sum up, right? That is the reason if you go for the row wise, then we are able to see here 6 point something we need to see here. That we get, that is correct answer. What do you got, sir, here? 6.3%. That is correct answer or not, sir? If you want more clarity, what I can do is I need to apply the grand totals, then I can do that one. Columns wise grand totals I am doing after. Then rows wise also, if you want, you can do the rows wise also. As of now, columns wise is enough for you. This is what the columns wise what we got. Percentage of sales of this is nothing but how to calculate it, sir. Go for the CalC, CALC. Then what is the value, sir, here? 531.62 by what is the total, sir? Total in that particular year, 1998 year. Total means what, sir? These all values you need to sum up. That sum up the value is available as what, sir? 661,587.50. This into 100 also I need to do, right? Then what is the value you got? 6.27. If rounded means what, sir? 6.3. It is calculating accurately or not? It is calculating accurately. Now what is the problem? What I am observing is, still I am not happy with this one. I want what is the value, sir? Backing I want first, and backing percentage terms I want next. Yes or no, sir? Backing is available here and the percentages are available in somewhere else means I need to scroll like this means very difficult for me. How to do like that? How to do like that is just matter of adjusting this one. So I am moving here item type on top of this one. Then automatically your look and feel is going to change your report. It is not moved. Just slowly you need to drag and drop, sir, somehow. Yeah, okay, it's came. Now the report also should change now. It's changing. Okay. Is it changed? Wait a moment, sir. It's trying to process something. Let it process. It's a matter of moving this one into the upward. That's it. You got it? So item type I moved on to the top of measure labels. Then automatically we got here backing. Next what, sir? Dollars and percentage sales. This is what the exercise, whatever I given in our notes is also. If you go and see pivot table, develop a report, these all things I given. Below that one I might given somewhere duplicate layer also. Where is that? Yeah, duplicate layer option I key in, and I go for the second dollars, more options, formatting names, and again click on more report, show data as percentage of row, click on done, observe the output. Okay. Just experience. How I know if I move this one to the upwards and that will be going this format means just experience. That's it. You also need to try this one. That's it. Different ways. Whatever a customer is looking for, just try to drag and drop here and there, automatically get the shape. Matter of drag and drop. Okay. If you want to hide any titles also, you can hide it, sir. If you go for this button and if you have your hidden options, these all things. If you want to hide it also, you can go and you can hide the titles. Okay, you are able to hide it. Some more options also available. You can explore that one as per your requirement. As per your requirement. Am I clear? Hide is only for the labels we have, right? Exclude is the one we are trying to hide, entirely excluding the data also. No, we are hiding only labels I did here. Not the data. Data is still visible. Only the labels I am trying to hide it. Exclude is different. Exclude is different. Hiding is different. Hide is only for the labels hiding. Exclude for the entire column we are trying to hide it. Entire column we are going to hide. Data plus labels. You got it? Okay. So that's what the duplicate layer option is doing here. Click on done. Then let us move on to the next report, next view. That is called as what's sir? Graph. Graph is very easy one. Nothing much job in that one. Let us go for one fresh report for that. New analysis. Then I am taking supplier sales representative. Click on OK. Then let us go and take 3 columns. One is year, comma, reason, comma, dollars. One is year, comma. Second is reason, comma. Reason, comma. Then third is dollars. Dollars. Then click on results. Then we are able to see the by default title and table views. You are able to see it. Now I want chart means what I need to do, sir? Go for new. Next go for graph. There I have one option that is called as bar. Then I have one option that is called as vertical. That is default vertical. Then we are able to see year and region on the x-axis, dollars on the y-axis. Now I want here region should be displayed as a legend. That is on z-axis I want to display. How to display it? Then go for what, sir? Edit of the chart. Then go for the properties of this one. Then just drag and drop the columns as you like. Then you want what, sir? That I want as a legend, right? Then drag and drop region onto the legends. Region onto the legends. Region onto the legends. Region is came. Some kind of color it came, right? The color is the right position to drop it, sir. Okay, whenever you are trying to drag and drop it, that color is appearing, right? That color is stands for what, sir? That is the right position to drop your object. Now, if I click on this done, then automatically we are able to see properly. Year is coming on the x-axis. Region is coming on the legend, or it is called as z-axis. It is called as legend or z-axis. And this is called as what, sir? Y-axis. And if you want to change the type of the chart, n number of charts are available, right? If you click on the edit, and if you go for types of the charts is here I have the type of the chart. Whatever type of chart you want to select here, you can go ahead and you can change it. Okay, in the lab, what is your agenda is, click on each and every chart and see how the look and feel is available. That is the one agenda. Second is, here I have some buttons, right? These all buttons are available. Each button is meant for what? You need to understand that also. Shall we do that one in the lab? That's very simple jobs, right? Maybe changing the labels and these all things will be available over there. Okay, by default we are seeing here x-axis name as something we are seeing year, right? Suppose I want to see here calendar year. I want to see what, sir? Calendar year. How to change that one? Or our chart name is available as by default it's coming as something dollars is coming. I want to give this as year and reason analysis. I want to give. Okay, how to change these all things? These all naming conventions you can change from using what, sir? That buttons whatever I shown over there. You need to explore in the lab and come up with your solutions. Am I clear? Right. Okay, also if people are aware of it, one functionality that is called as drill down functionality, right? Moving from high level data to low level data. If I want to go for central region to next region, that is called as district, means you are able to move it, right? Automatically this also applying here or not, sir? See here. It is moving to the next or not? Central, Gulf, Central, Lower Midwest, it is moving or not, sir? If I go for the something Gulf to some other thing, let us say sales representative, that is also applicable for the this also or not, sir? It is applicable. So you can do the drill down and drill up functionalities on the table that simultaneously will reflect in where, sir? In the graph. And vice, I mean to say, can I do in the graph? If I want to go for this bar is corresponding to what, sir? That bar is corresponding to east. I am trying to click on the east. Whenever I clicked on the east corresponding in the 1998 year, whatever quarters are available, those all things I am seeing. What is the difference you observed previous to this, sir? Previously, only one column wise it is drilling. Now it is what, sir? It is two columns wise it is drilling. Year wise, next level. Region wise, next level it went. Yes or no, sir? That is what the difference between chart drill down and table drill down. You got my point? Yes? Okay. So drill down functionality is available either in the chart, either in the table, wherever you want to take, you can take it. But these all things are possible if you have in the BMM layer hierarchies. Without hierarchies, can you do the drill down? In the BMM layer, if you don't have the hierarchies, can you do the drill down, sir? No. If I have the hierarchies, then I can implement that one either in the table or in the chart. Wherever you want, you can implement it. Okay. Yeah. If I explain the Florida, okay. Florida means I am able to see 3 records. Other data means you are requesting clearly, I want Florida corresponding things I want, right? You are saying that one. Florida you are clicking means indirectly you are saying like, I want Florida corresponding thing. Means? Okay, remaining things all you want, but only Florida things you want to expand it. For that, you need to follow other type of reporting, sir. This guy question also valid question actually. What is he asking is, sir, I want Florida details I want. At the same time, I don't want to lose other districts values. Other districts is what, sir? These are other districts available. These all other districts values also I want to see. But Florida next level data I want to see. That's what is requirement. That kind of thing you want means yes, possible, but not this way. What way you can do that is, for that I need to have hierarchy object here. Do I have that one? I don't have. Let me go for first RPD. That is possible, sir. Good question. Let us go for file menu, open, then online. RR capital, ITEC small, 1, 2, 3. RR capital, ITEC small, 1, 2, 3. If I go for hierarchies, all hierarchies are available. I want to drag and drop here, product hierarchy, object onto the products, time hierarchy, object onto the time, and customer hierarchy onto the customers. Then go for check-in changes, go for yes, go for reporting end, then go for new, go for analysis, supplier sales representative, okay. Then if I expand here time, then we'll see our hierarchy object is not available. Then what to do, sir? Reload server metadata I need to do. Go for reload server metadata. Then after few seconds, if we expand it, then few seconds if we expand it, then we're able to see time. Then go for products. Then go for what's sir? Customers. Then go for dollars. This kind of reporting was not available in case of 10G, sir. Only in 11G it is available. If you see carefully, I'm trying to expand, let us say grand total I expanded, then I got what, sir? Sorry. My grand total record is not losing. My grand total record is as it is available, but I'm able to expand what, sir? This one. If I go for what is the requirement, as for that requirement only I want to move, grand total, customers, then central, then I got here Florida, this all, sorry, where we expand previously, east, right? East is Florida is available here. Florida, if you expand, Florida corresponding details is seeing. At the same time, I am seeing what, sir? Another districts also we have to see, you can see. That is possible, but the thing is the way you are doing the reporting should be different. You should not take only columns at that moment. You need to take what's the hierarchy object you need to take. Anyhow, this requirement, whatever you ask now, that is not possible in 10G, sir. In 10G means straight away we used to put a mail to your customer. As for our OBIEE limitation, it is not possible. Okay, in OBIEE 11G it is possible. Am I clear, sir? Right. Okay, today we practiced 4 views. One is title, table, pivot table. Next is what, sir? Graphs. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue rest of the views. Okay, next class, level-based hierarchies are, level-based measures are going on. Anyone interested, stay back, or else you can leave for the day.